Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to program Bollinger Bands on MetaTrader 4. Let's begin. So first off guys, open up your MetaTrader 4 platform and go to this little note right here, R plus F4. Next thing guys, click this little new button in the top left hand corner. Click Expert Advisor, hit next. Now we need to name this advisor. We can put Bollinger Bands, or we can put test Bollinger Bands. Okay. Hit next, next, next. Now we should get this window. We're gonna go to the on tick right here. I just want to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see. Okay. The first thing off, we're gonna go to our doubles. We're gonna input those information in right now. All right. So first off, guys, it's gonna be a double. And that's going to explain it as the value of any non-whole number. So it's going to be 1, or I'm just going to be 1.1002. It's going to be some digits after the period. We're going to name this as BB upper, and our next thing is going to be I bands. If you guys want more details of what I bands actually means, all you got to do is hit F1 above that, and you're going to have the MQL4 reference. It's going to give you the double I bands, what it means, and what you guys can do to actually program it yourself outside of what I'm giving you guys, okay? Our next thing is going to be the null. The null is going to be, if you want more details also, just hit F1 on that. You guys can pause the screen and read it if you like. But when it comes to null, it's going to work on all currency pairs that's available for the broker. We're going to press 0 for the time frames. It's going to work on all time frames. Now, this is our period, going to be 20. It's pretty much standard for a good Bollinger Band. Our deviation is kind of like how far is away from the candles. We're going to use it 3. Now if you use 4, it's going to get bigger and bigger away from it, or further away from it. I'll show you guys on the chart once I run it. Just give me a second. We're going to put the INT band shift as 0. Now this enum price applied basically is going to be on the close of the candle. You can do the high or the low or the open, but I'm going to use the close of the candle. The INT mode, int mode, that's going to be, so there's 3 modes to a Bollinger Band: the main, the upper, and lower. So if you guys want the mode, you would do 0, but you might want to change the name of it right here. When it comes to the upper is 1 and the lower is 2. So once I completed that, our next objective is to create the lower, and all you gotta do is change this 1 into a 2. Fantastic. Here's our next thing we're going to do is handle the bool statements and to enter it into a trade, okay? So here's our bool statements right here. Get this down a little more. Fantastic. So our bool statement is going to be Bollinger Band short. Once the close of candle 1, so this means the previous candle back, is greater than the Bollinger Band upper, is going to read as true. And if the Bollinger Band for the buy position, for this name of it, it reads as the close is below the below of the lower Bollinger Band, it's going to read as true. So once we have that true statements, we're going to have our both buy and or sell positions. So let's go into this, zoom out a little bit. I'll break this down in detail for you guys. Let's break down that if statement, okay? So if Bollinger Band short equals true, so to make sure it's verifying if it's true. If it is, it'll pass. And total orders equals 0, then this INT sell order, order send, I already know. So OP sell is going to do an instant execution sell. Now, if you guys want a list of them, hit F1, and you guys do a market buy or market sell, do a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. You guys can do all that with those, okay? Now the lot size is going to be 0.01. First thing we're going to enter is on the bid, and our next thing is going to be the slippage, kind of like if it's we don't want it too far away. If it is too far away, not to enter on that trade. The next thing is going to be the bid plus 5.5, and that's going to be our stop loss. Our next thing is going to be our target profit, which is going to be the bid minus 0.5, so that's basically 50 pips because I'm using it on pound yen. We're going to be using null for the comment. You guys can put a comment in there or not. Hit null if you want to, not. Here's our magic number, just all 2s. 0 is our expiration date because we don't have, if you guys want to use a pinning order, you can do that, but if not, just put 0. And if you are going to put it in there, you're going to use, I think you need to use time frame and modify the time to put it in there. It's going to be measured in seconds. But besides that, we're going to be in clear arrow. We're going to make it clear orange. And our next one's going to be Bollinger Bands equals true. If it's true, that means we're going to enter in our buy. Total orders equals 0. Now, there's ways around this, guys. If you guys want to have like 1 order open or 2 order open or different types, you guys can modify that. It's going to be called buy order number 1. This is going to be order send. Our null, this is going to be different, guys. This is going to be our instant buy. We're going to enter the ask, slippage of 10. Our stop loss is at 50 pips. Our target prop is at 50 pips. And our magic number, 1111 and 0, clear orange. Now, so far, this code is going to be entering basically on when the close is happening on the Bollinger Bands. Now, this is not saying that this strategy is supposed to make you profitable. This is showing you how to do a basic program with Bollinger Bands. You can add it to your strategy. Hit compile. It runs good. So let's go back to our terminal. So first thing, guys, we need to have our strategy tester open. Let's go to view, click on strategy tester or control R. Have your dates up. This one works on only on pound yen. You guys can modify it to whatever program you other symbol you want. Test BB. So now we go through our listing, look for test BB. All right, we got it right there. And we want to make sure that you use the data right here. Now, if you can't see me, it's behind this right here. So let me move myself out of the way. All you need to do is click use data, put in a date, put in a date for this right here. You have a visual mode, and it's not going to be super duper fast, but this is a small EA, so it's going to be relatively quick. Okay. Our next thing is we're starting on the 1 hour, and we're gonna hit start. Okay. Now the program is not gonna immediately start because the double arrows are pressed. So once it gets live, what's going to happen is that it's gonna be kind of paused. I'm gonna add the Bollinger Band so you guys can get a visual representation of what's happening. Okay. So the next thing, we add Bollinger Bands. Remember, our deviation is 3. Look at our deviation is 3. We're looking at 20, and we can add it. So this is how it looks right here, guys. So let's make it a little bit bigger for you. Let's make it right there. All right, all you gotta do is hit start button right here, right behind myself. And now, when we see this run, every time it closes, like this right here. And if you guys want to change the color, hit F8, scroll, go to color, scroll down. You guys can have a better view of it if you like. You get candles, and you can see right here that it entered in that sell position. Oh, where's my triangle at? Okay. You can see that it entered in that sell position right here. You guys see that? It entered in that sell position, hit the target profit. Let's run it again, keep running it. So it entered in on a buy position and took a loss right here. Now it's not supposed to be a running strategy, just it's supposed to enter off of this. Now you can add other indicators or adding more technical analysis. So if it does this scenario, higher probability of profit in a trade. So did it again, see, close right here. You guys can see it right here. So it just can keep on doing this over and over and over. And this is a very simple EA. Now, is this supposed to make money on this, the way I program it, how simple I program it? No, I don't think it's gonna make money. But I think the concept, if you do it properly to get good reversals using Bollinger Bands, can be done. And this is just a way you guys can add to or understand how to use the basis of Bollinger Bands. Now, I hope this gave you some value, guys, some understanding about how to use EAs, how to use Bollinger Bands, or how to program the indicator. Now, if not, guys, just let me know. I can use a custom indicator, and that can use also the Bollinger Bands. So if you have a special indicator for Bollinger Bands, then you can just put I custom instead of I bands in it, and then put that in there. But other than that, guys, I hope this helped you out. But please like, share, and subscribe. Check out the other playlist of the MQL4 programming, and I'll see you guys on the next video.